Want to take back control of your flash duration and ensure compatibility with your studio lights? Let's dive into how you can easily turn off high-speed sync on your Canon EOS RP. First, power on your Canon EOS RP, then press the menu button, navigate to the Flash Control tab. This is usually represented by a lightning bolt icon. Within the Flash Control menu, you'll find various options for your flash. Look for the external flash settings if you're using an off-camera flash, or the built-in flash settings for the camera's internal flash. Select the appropriate option for the flash you're controlling. Now, locate the high-speed sync, or HSS, setting. You'll see it's likely set to on or auto. Select this option. You will then be presented with a choice. Use your camera's directional buttons or touch screen to select OFF and then press the set button or the equivalent confirmation button on your camera. And just like that, you've successfully disabled high-speed sync on your Canon EOS RP. So, why would you want to do this? HSS allows your flash to sync at shutter speeds faster than your camera's native sync speed, but it does this by emitting a series of short, rapid pulses instead of a single burst. This can limit the flash's power output and potentially cause an uneven light spread in certain situations. Turning off HSS reverts your flash to its standard single burst mode. This means you'll likely get more power from your flash and a more consistent light output. This is particularly beneficial when working with continuous lighting setups or when you need the maximum flash power available. For instance, to overpower bright sunlight with a single, powerful flash burst. Remember, when HSS is off, you'll need to adhere to your camera's native sync speed, typically 1/180th or 1/200th of a second on the EOS RP. If you shoot faster than this, you'll encounter the dreaded black bar of underexposure. So, understanding when to use HSS and when to disable it is key to mastering your flash photography.